Difference of opinions in Congress. The difference of opinions in Congress. Led to the formation of pro-changers and no-changers. Pro-changers, that means they're ready to change for change. Pro-changers and no-changers. Who are pro-changers? Who believe Gandhi halted the movement, we will continue. No changers are the people who said that no, Gandhi was right in calling off the movement. Who are the members of pro-changers? They are C.R. Das, Chitranjan Das, I'll give data. Motilal Nehru, Vittalbhai Patel, M.R. Jaikkar. These are the wonderful nationalists who believe that Gandhi led the movement, he called off. It is our responsibility to do the movement in the most constitutional manner. How? 1919 Government of India Act. And do remember, this act did not implement in the same year. Long back UPSC asked a question. Why? The Government of India Act 1919 was not implemented in the same year. It was legislated because of the wrongs of 1919 and the NCM pressure on the British. Got it? So it was implemented in 1921. A long gap, sir. Now the pro-changers who believe that Gandhi halted the movement, let us continue the movement. How? Let's contest in the elections in 1923. Central Legislative Assembly elections are happening. Parliament elections are happening. Let's contest. Let's win the election. And let's continue the non-cooperation movement within constitutional manner. How? Let's get the membership. Let's become the members of the parliament. And let's wreck it. They used the word. Let's reckon. That means let's disturb the functioning of parliament through constitutional manner. This is a very strategic plan, sir. Very strategic plan. Following the constitutional way led to agitation. Got the point? And the group which actually said, we will continue the momentum that what Gandhi left. Through the most constitutional way, let's participate in the election and become the members of Legislative Assembly, and let's wreck within what? The functioning of the parliament. Let's put pressure. They're asked to pass the bill, will not pass. Let's boycott the session. That's what the plan is. And the people who believed in this constitutional way of agitation are called as what? They formed a group. That is what you call All India Khilafat Swarajist Party. What the group is called? All India Khilafat Swarajist Party, shortly called Swarajist Party. The Swarajist Party led by C.R. Das as the president. Secretary Motilal Nehru. Are we clear about it? Vittalbhai Patel support the cause of them. In this way, the pro-changers are referred called as Swarajists. Now, on the other group, who are no changers, the youngsters who look Gandhi with a great hope, Subhash Chandra Bose, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. These youngsters believe what Gandhi did is right. You can't understand. See the level of torture, see the level of momentum happening. So we believe Gandhi is right, and it is very wrong to contest in elections. Why? One of the reasons why we triggered NCM is because of diarchy. Diarchy is irresponsible government. 1919 Act is actually irresponsible. If you go and contest an election, you are giving a signal to British that we are happy with the government act what you provided. And they are right in understanding the Indian pulse. Will not contest an election. And guess what happened? The pro-changers went ahead and contested the election and got a massive victory, landslide victory in Central Legislative Assembly. And guess what happened? The single largest political party, single largest opposition party in Central Legislative Assembly was Swarajist Party. And who is the leader of opposition? Don't forget, Motilal Nehru. Who is the first speaker? Don't forget, Vittalbhai Patel. And don't forget, who is the chairman of Calcutta Municipal Corporation, CMC. As CMC chairman meaning almost equal to cabinet rank in Viceroy Executive Council, sir. Who? C.R. Das. So this is actually using the energy in a very positive manner. You got the point? The question comes to our mind, did Gandhi support the cause of pro-changers? They decide, I am pro-Gandhi, I am against Gandhi. I'm pro changes, I'm no changes. But what's the stand of Gandhi? People say that Gandhi criticized the role of Motilal Nehru and C.R. Das. It's wrong. You'll be having photographs. In 1923, when they're going for election campaign, by the way, contesting elections, Gandhi went to the Swarajists party, party where they're filing nomination, by the way, and he congratulated them. We have that photograph also. So Gandhi believed is a very good way to continue the non-cooperation movement. Are we clear about it? Make a note. Number 2.